In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add depreciation of fixed assets in Xero accounting. This is a crucial process that helps you account for the reduction in value of your fixed assets over time, reflecting their wear and tear or obsolescence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. Once there, click on the login button, enter your email and password credentials associated with your Xero account, then click login again to access your dashboard. Once you've logged into your Xero account, navigate directly to the dashboard by clicking on the appropriate link. From the dashboard, look toward the menu options and click on Accounting, which is the section that holds all your essential financial data. Next, you'll need to move over to Fixed Assets. Xero provides a great feature that allows you to manage your fixed assets directly within the software. Click on Fixed Assets to bring up a list of all the assets your business owns. This is where you'll perform the depreciation process. You'll then see a choice labeled Registered. Click on it to view the assets that have been officially registered in your accounting system. Now what you want to do next is look for the option labeled Run Depreciation. This allows you to calculate the depreciation for the selected period. After selecting Run Depreciation, you'll need to specify the date for which you want the depreciation to be calculated. Choose a date that aligns with your financial reporting cycle. Typically this could be the end of the month or the fiscal year. Setting the correct date is important because this influences how accurately your books reflect the value of your assets. Once you've selected the date, go ahead and click on Confirm. This finalizes the depreciation calculation for the assets you have selected. It's crucial to review each of these steps carefully to ensure everything is calculated correctly. Lastly, you can circle back to the Registered Assets section to review and confirm the depreciation has been successfully applied. This gives you a chance to verify that the changes have taken effect as expected, and that your financial statements will reflect the accurate depreciation value. There you have it, a straightforward approach to adding depreciation for fixed assets in Xero. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain accurate financial records that reflect the true value of your assets over time. Remember, consistently updating your depreciation